If a snowstorm would hit or an ice storm hit, you've been pretty much by yourself with no help. You might have to go and stay at a hotel somewhere. And I tell you, this storm that just hit proves my point. You need a Generex or a solar, well, providing the solar system ain't blown off. You need electricity, and you need a source. And the Generex is covered. My wife on the traveling mode. All right, baby. You're going to need that Generex. Right now, there's a lot of folks between here, Mississippi and Alabama, Northern Virginia, not Northern Virginia, but per se, but from Virginia, West Virginia, western part of Virginia, they probably lost power. Some people lost power, and guess what? There's another storm in the Atlantic on its way. You know, you'll need that Generex. And I'm telling you, from the time you apply for it, get approved, it probably takes about 3 months before they come and install it, because they have to order it, you got to manufacture it, get the technician in place, get it prioritized, and also set up the lines. You may need a propane tank. If you live in an urban that doesn't have gas line, natural gas, you have to have a tank installed. If you got natural gas, you got to get that gas line connected. You got to get your regulator upgraded as well, because the Generex require more what? Fuel. Okay? But the Generex is the best decision I ever had. But yeah, these generators are is available, right? I mean, it's right here. Eligibility for a free home generator. Eligibility for free. Did I say free? Yes, I did. Resource bonus information. And they're all part of my bonus book. Now, I got the basic book with less information about this. It's available. It's cheaper. But it does go through the steps to get 100%. But this is the bonus book. Okay? You see the word bonus right here? It's also available in Espanol. It's also, see that word bonus? There it is. If you're looking for all this benefit, that's what you're looking for. You're looking for basic benefits, you get the 6x9 book that just cover the meat and the potato about helping you get 100%. And maybe some grant programs too. But this one goes in full detail, got pictures to show for it. And I tell you, this is the #1 seller. If you need vehicles that need to be altered,